Guys, today we found some squishies at Dollar General, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing. We found 2 airs and 1 shaving cream. Okay, let me get them out. This one, which is the package a little damaging, and this viral squishy dog. It feels like there's clay in it, but it's really not. First, we're gonna unbox the dog. All we need to do is take off the tag. It feels so good. Okay, next one is the bear. I'm gonna save this one for last because I think it's gonna be good. Okay, so let's open it. It looks like it's gonna feel like a needle fuzzball. Oh look. Look how cute it is. Okay, I gotta unwrap it. It's air, but it feels so nice. I love this. I'm gonna rank, okay, so I'm ranking them. Where'd the dog go? Okay, I'm gonna rank this 10 out of 10, this 10 out of 10. Now let's open the duck. The package a little damaging, looks unpromising, but let's do it. So I guess I'm gonna open it normally. I already damaged the package. Look how cute. Okay, the package was already ripped. Okay. I love this so much. I'm gonna say, honestly, a 8 out of 10 because it's shaving cream. I love this so much. We also found an air ball and bunch of dogs. We're in Missouri, Hamilton, and we found a bunch of air stuff. And they're on this. Bye.